Okay, day 2 we got up a little late, did a little workout. It's a little chilly out there, actually, a little breezy. But as you can see, it is gorgeous. I would say fairly smooth, not, completely smooth, but fairly smooth. I'm not bumping around in anything. Well, here we are, day 2. Always good to start out lunch with a little salad. I slept late, worked out a little bit. Now we're hitting the day. Don't you love these little Seedream straws? Like to do a lot of massages on a 16-day trip like this. They always give you a bottle of champagne in your room. I'm not that big of a champagne guy, so I like taking it down to the ladies in the spa and letting them have it after hours. This is for all you ladies in the spa. Because I don't drink champagne and they put it in your room. So later tonight, all you guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome. So massage was fantastic. Before when I said it was really smooth, yeah, well, that went away. You see down here at the pool, all the sloshing around. It's not too bad, but it's not smooth. Still not bad. I mean, is there really a bad day on Seedream? I don't think so. As always, it's the end of the day and the sunset at sea. That's the best time of day, always. What a lovely evening at sea, and then Paul decides to ruin the table.
The drain.
This is what happens on day 2. Just happens. Well, there's service for you here. We have a little issue and we fix it real quick.